Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Printify to Big Cartel. Just a disclaimer, Big Cartel doesn't allow a direct integration with Printify, so we'll need to do it manually. Start by going to your Printify dashboard and clicking on My Products from the left-hand panel. Choose the product you want to add to Big Cartel, then click on View All Mockups. From there, pick the mockup image you want to use and download it. Now, head over to your Big Cartel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Product section and click Add a New Product. Upload the image you just downloaded from Printify. Then, go back to Printify, copy the product title, and paste it into the product name field in Big Cartel. Do the same for the product description, copy it from the Printify, and paste it into Big Cartel. Next, copy the available variants from Printify and enter them manually into Big Cartel. Do the same for the product's price. Once everything is filled out, just click Save. Now, it's time to fulfill orders through Printify. When someone makes a purchase on your Big Cartel store, you'll get a notification. To check it, go to the Orders section on the top menu in Big Cartel. Here, you'll find the customer's shipping information. Go back to Printify, click on Orders from the left panel, then click Create Order and select Manual. Choose the product and the correct variant. After that, just fill in the necessary order details. Then go to the shipping section and enter your customer's shipping information from Big Cartel. Once everything is complete, go ahead and submit the order and pay for fulfillment. And that's it. You're all set to sell and fulfill Printify products through your Big Cartel store manually but effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.